up, YouTube? Welcome back to another mob vlog. Today's moment of bliss. I am going to be taking you guys out to the south shore of Oahu, and I'm not going to tell you the name of the place because it's a little secret. If you know where it is, you know where it is. Let's get to it. Let's get to the time lapse. Alright guys, we are here. I'm not gonna really try to expose where I'm at because I mean you might kind of could tell from the time lapse, but one of the spots out here. So yeah, it is Sunday morning. It is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. I plan to dawn patrol super early in the morning, like 6, maybe break of dawn, but had a little long night last night, a few drinks or whatnot. But yeah, out here at least is the main thing, you know. Gonna get my board set up. Bought a new leash yesterday. Check it out. Got one of these leashes, Creature Bicep, Brian Hardy featuring signature leash. So $30, not that bad. Matches my board, my super old number 6 Michael McMullen signature board. Had it for like 10 years now. Still going strong. Bam. Let's get it. Old leash about to break. The leash is all stretched out. It is what it is, you know. Things don't last that long, but yeah, gonna get suited up here. Gonna change out of this shirt. Bam! Whoa, that was a rough one. Yeah, let's get to it. Let's get to the clip. Let's get to the edit, guys. See you guys in the water. Alright guys, just got out of the water. Surf was alright. Kind of jumped out too late because the tide was rising and the tide was super high, and I should have dawn patrolled. Like I said, not much barrels or anything, but that's what I was aiming for. But you know what it is, it was good to be out in the water, and yeah, let's do it again tomorrow. Day 2, I'm gonna continue this vlog, make it one whole vlog for this swell, this south swell. I gotta go to work, and probably later it's gonna be better, but too bad I work. So tomorrow I'll do it again. All right guys, see you guys tomorrow. All right guys, what's up? It is day 2. I guess I'll see you guys on the beach. Yeah, let's start the video. Get up and move.
Get up and move!
is a wrap. I am out of here. I'm going back in. Small, caught a few ones, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yay! See you guys in the next video.
What's that?